What's up, plant lovers? I want to do a quick series of a few short videos highlighting some of the plants I'm really looking forward to growing in my garden this summer. Let's get into it. Well, I don't grow a ton of annuals, but when I do, I really want to make sure that they count. And one annual that I do grow is the Calibrachoa from the Minifamous series. Minifamous always produce the very best Calibrachoas that I've grown. They have the nicest overflowing kind of trailing habit. Makes them great in hanging baskets or elevated pots, even window boxes. But what also makes these Minifamous series so nice is just the sheer number of flowers. It's just unreal how many flowers these plants have on them for months and months. And the flowers never fade, they never really lose that color. So that's another big added bonus. But I think my favorite benefit of growing Calibrachoa over something like a petunia is it doesn't have sticky foliage and it's pretty self-cleaning. So you don't have to be all cleaning your plant all summer long like a lot of petunias you tend to do. Along with growing some of the sunset colors like oranges, reds, and yellows, I also have some nice purple ones, which will add a little bit of contrast to the mix. Nothing brings color quite like a Calibrachoa. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video series and drew a little bit of plant inspiration from seeing all of these beautiful colors growing here in our greenhouse. So if you are looking to add some of these beautiful plants to your gardens this summer, check out my family's website, robertasgardens.net, where you can find all of these plants and many more innovative, brand new cultivars that are just reaching gardeners from around the globe. Anyways, thank you guys for joining me here on Plant Vibrations, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for all of our weekly, sometimes daily updates, bringing more plants into our lives. Catch you guys soon. Ciao.